What is going on, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroo.com, and today I've got a video about Quora.com. So more specifically, this video is going to be about how to use Quora and how to use it with affiliate marketing. Ultimately, the goal is going to be how to send quality engaged traffic over to affiliate offers so that we can make up to $100 a day. So that's the goal, and there's definitely people who are doing this. I tried it out for myself, and this is actually a very viable solution to free affiliate marketing. I know a lot of people, don't have a lot of ad spend money, don't have money to spend on maybe Facebook ads or Instagram ads. So this is part of a series that we're doing for free traffic, and Quora is definitely at the top of my list for free traffic opportunities. So not going to waste any more time. Let's start jumping into exactly how to do this. So what exactly is Quora, and how are we going to use it to send qualified traffic over to our affiliate offers? Well, Quora is a place where anybody can come over and ask a question about anything. So this is kind of like if you go to Google something and you just can't find a good answer on it, you come over to Quora and then you'll have someone actually answer that for you. And what's great about this for affiliate marketers is we can tap into a very hot audience, an audience that has a clear burning problem that they want solved, and we can offer our solutions, and our solutions are affiliate products. So we can offer that solution to this person who is in need of our affiliate products, and as long as we present it in a way that is beneficial for them, and as long as we have a sense of authority in that niche, then they're going to be very inclined to click on our affiliate links and go to our offers and buy those products. So that's pretty much how this works. But one of the most important parts of this is to stick to a specific niche. Personally, I really like affiliate marketing. So when I first started with Quora, I only answered questions around affiliate marketing. And the reason that you have to pick a really specific niche is because you have to set up your profile in a way that displays who you are and what you're about. And I'll show you that by coming over to my profile right here. So like I said, I'm really into affiliate marketing. So when I was coming over to Quora.com, I only wanted to answer questions about affiliate marketing and some other questions about how to make money online. So when you first start your Quora account, you have to make a profile, and that's exactly what I did. So you really want to fine-tune your profile to the types of questions that you are going to be answering. So when I'm answering questions, I want the people who are asking the questions to feel like I really know what I'm talking about, and a great way to do that is with the title that you give yourself. So when I was answering these questions, I was a full-time affiliate marketer. Basically, my funnel structure for this was I would answer questions, and then I would send people over to a YouTube channel and my Instagram page and to an opt-in page so that I could do email marketing to them. And those are the 3 links that I have in my profile. So whenever I answer someone's question and they like the answer that I give them, more likely than not, they're going to want to know more about me, like who am I, to answer their questions. They're going to come over to my profile and they're going to check those things out. They're going to see my description. I'm a media buyer on various social channels. I run paid ads to affiliate offers across a variety of networks such as Max Bounty, Clickbank, and Peerfly. And I currently make around $3,000 a month doing just this strategy. So just in that paragraph, I am qualifying myself because I know what I'm talking about. I do this full time, and I'm giving them the reason why they should be trusting me and listening to my advice. So that's the first part of the description. And the second part of the description goes into the actions that I want them to take. I don't want people to just read my answers and then go on with their day. I want them to read my answers, connect with me, and then go follow up on one of my links that I have in my description. So not only am I leaving links in my description, I'm also going to be showing you how I leave links inside of the answers themselves. So when people are viewing the answer, they're going to have an option to click on links that are inside my answer. So as you can see, I have 3 links here. What was my YouTube channel, my Instagram account, and this was email opt-in form so that I could do email marketing on anybody that follows up on this. But so say you don't have all this stuff. Say you just have a affiliate product. Then all you got to do is create your description just like this, but instead of all these links, just have a link to your affiliate product right there. And so anybody clicks on that and goes and purchases your affiliate product, you're going to get the commission, and it's going to be a really easy way to start earning commissions just like that. Okay, so that's all the first part. Before you even answer any questions or anything like that, you have to come over, make your profile look good, make it look like you actually know what you're talking about, and make sure you do know what you're talking about. Otherwise, nobody's going to listen to you, nobody's going to click on your links, and then all of this is just going to be a waste of time. So make your profile look as good as possible, and then we'll go into the next part, which is actually finding questions to answer and how to answer them in a manner that's going to get you the most views to your profile and the most clicks on your affiliate links. Before I do that, I just want to show some of the stats that I had from answering questions. And keep in mind, I did this for like 2 days. I didn't really follow up on it, but I got a lot of clicks and I got a lot of views. So I just want to show you, over here I have 13 answers. I only answered 13 questions. I literally think I sat down on like a Saturday afternoon or something like that, answered questions for an hour, and that was that. And just for answering questions for an hour, that's it. I got 1 follower, and if we come over to my stats, it's the last 30 days. If we go to all time, you can see literally just from answering questions for 1 hour, I got 818 views, 4 upvotes, and obviously you can't see this here, but someone even went out of their way to find me on Facebook and was seeking my advice there. So that's crazy. Just from answering questions from 1 hour, I was able to get this much engagement on my questions and on the posts. I was able to get clicks over to my website, and I even got someone following up with me on Facebook. If you want to read some of the questions that I answered, you can just pause the video right now and check out, what are the kind of questions that I was answering. The one that got the most views for me was, how do I start an online business? Tons of people on Quora want to start their own online business, but they don't know how to do it, obviously. So I provided a nice, clear answer. Actually, I can probably go over to that answer. All right, so this is the answer that I provided. And what's crazy about this question is, I had 246 views on this question, but there was someone else who had over 4,000 views on their answer on the same question. I think I was like late to answering it, and someone answered before me, and their answer got 4.4 thousand views, which is absolutely nuts. It probably took them 10 minutes to write that answer, and they got 4,000 views on it. So again, you can just pause this if you want to read exactly what I wrote, but the key points that you want to take away from my answer are, it's long enough. You don't want to overwhelm someone with an incredible amount of information, but make sure that you answer every single point of their question. Obviously, how do I start an online business is pretty broad, so I gave about as specific an answer as I possibly could. Make sure it's long enough. You don't want to give like a 2-sentence answer, because that's not going to help anybody, and nobody's going to feel inclined to click on your links or go to your profile if you just give them two sentences that aren't going to help them at all. Focus on actually providing value to this person, and that's going to be the best way to create that relationship and build a rapport with them. Then, of course, you don't want to lose this person, so put a link somewhere. It doesn't even have to be at the end. I put mine right at the end. You could throw one in right in the middle. Honestly, I probably should have had more than one. So this was a link over to my email opt-in form because I wanted to continue to follow up with these people. Funny enough, this guy says that the link won't work, and I think it is a broken link. So that's my bad. So I'm pretty sure I got nobody clicking over to my my email opt-in form because it was broken. So definitely check it out and make sure it works before you submit your answer. But I really just want to show you guys that, this works. This answer is, 6 paragraphs, and it's not even a whole paragraph. Each paragraph is just like 2 sentences. This took me 10 to 15 minutes to write, and it got 250 views. And if I had a link that wasn't broken, this could be 10, 15 clicks over to my email opt-in form for literally nothing. Another crazy part about this is, so I answered this question on May 12th, which was like a month ago, and obviously that's when I got the majority of my views. But here I am a month later, and I'm still getting 2 views a day, 3 views a day, 2, that one's 8 views in that day, 4 views. So this is work that I did a month ago, and I'm still getting people to view my answers every single day. So it's very passive, very hands-off, do a bunch of work up front, and you can definitely see some good results come from this. Keep in mind that I did this for a day, for 1 hour, and that's it. Imagine if I had done this for a whole month. this number would probably be 10x, 20x, and the amount of clicks that you can get off that is really, really substantial, and it's definitely enough to get you some affiliate sales. So now we're going to transfer into the last part of this, which is what kind of affiliate offers are you going to try and promote on Quora.com. Sorry, right before that, I just want to show you exactly how to find the questions that you're going to answer. So when I type in affiliate marketing, I can see the topic of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to click on that, and then in order to get like the most recent questions, just click on more right here and go to all questions. And now you can see the questions that are being asked like pretty much in real time. We got things from 32 minutes ago, an hour ago, and this is going to give you the best chance to get, your answer on the top of this question. And if the question gets a lot of views, you're going to get a lot of views. So I would just pretty much scroll through this list, find all the questions that I want to answer, answer them, and then come back like the next day, and I'll have a whole new set of questions that I can answer. Pretty much an endless supply of questions, because there's always people asking questions on here. So back over to what kind of affiliate products should I actually sell on Quora. The first thing I said was make sure you're answering questions in a super specific niche. And when you do that, make sure that there are affiliate products inside of that niche. For example, my niche was affiliate marketing, and there are tons of affiliate products, obviously, that I can sell for affiliate marketing. There's no limit to the amount of things that I can sell in that niche. But is affiliate marketing the only thing that I can sell products in? Obviously not. So I'm going to go into some other examples that might interest you, and maybe if you know anything about this, definitely jump right in and start answering questions and getting some views over to your affiliate products. Another thing that I have a lot of interest in is video game development. This is something that is like a hobby of mine. I like to create video games, and not only is it fun for me, there's also a audience of 190,000 people over on Quora who want to know more about video game development. So if I wanted to answer questions in this niche, I would do the same thing where I click on all questions and find some questions that would relate to an affiliate product such as pluralsight.com, because Pluralsight is a resource for people who want to learn more about video game development. This is going to help them create their own games. And if I get someone to sign up for this, I forget exactly what it is, but look at this. If someone signs up for a free trial of Pluralsight, then I get $5. So they don't even have to pay anything, and then I get $5 on a free trial. And then after that, I'll get 75% of the monthly subscription. I think their subscription is maybe $30. So that's really good. That's over $20, $22, $23 a month. Every single month, recurring passive income just from referring someone over from Quora over to a resource like pluralsight.com. So imagine if I had started answering some questions and had the same kind of stats that I did with my affiliate marketing questions. And if I had 1,000 views on answers about video game development with a link over to Pluralsight with my affiliate link, I mean, that's great. That's going to get me probably 50 to 100 clicks over here, and one or two of those at least is bound to get sign up for a free trial. So there you go, $5 to $10 from doing an hour's worth of work, pretty much not even. And then if you expand this and you answer questions every single day for say 30 minutes to an hour for a month, I mean, that's just going to compound. You're going to be seeing sales coming in every single day. Alright, so that's pretty much all I got on Quora.com and how to sell affiliate products using Quora.com. It's really simple. It's a really simple process. I challenge you to actually take action on this and answer questions for more than an hour like I did. Because if I kept going on this and doing this for, say, 30 days, 2 months, 3 months, I mean, all of this is just going to compound, and you're going to get a ton of views, ton of clicks over to your affiliate links, and definitely some commissions coming in every single day. So I challenge you, go out, answer as many questions as you can for as long as you can until you pretty much go insane. Because I think that's why I stopped. I was just going insane. It's just answering the same question over and over again. But it's worth it. It really is, because the sales will definitely come in. So that's all I got for you today. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.